guys, welcome back to my channel, The Loom Storm, and today I will be showing you a very quick and simple tutorial on the simple chain bracelet charm on your loom. And this design I think is by Rainbow Loom brand, so you can actually search up their channel on YouTube. But without further ado, let's get started. So, we're going to start by taking our hook, our loom, and some rubber bands. We're going to take one single rubber band. Actually, I forgot to say, if you want, you can actually make a not a triple fishtail, a fishtail bracelet if you do this project double banded. It's just not as easy to work with. But anyway, as I said, one band or two bands on your hook. Put it on the right to middle peg there. And we're going to do a diagonal pattern the other way, the other way, the other way, the other way, and we're just going to keep repeating this until we get to the top peg all the way up there. So basically, you should have a diagonal pattern here, and then just going to keep doing that. Like this, and then your loom should start to look like this, so bottom all the way to the top. So back to the project. We're actually gonna flip over our loom. We're gonna take our hook in our hand, and then we're just gonna go through this peg over here and start the hooking process by pulling this out and putting it on the original peg it came from over here, and then we're just gonna do that other side. To the next side, go back to the right side, back to the left, and then just keep doing this. bands that you just ended the hooking process with, and you're going to hook it onto any pin next to it, and hook it to another pin, the same band, or 2 bands. Anyway, now we're just going to take, actually you can use an S-clip, a C-clip, or a paper clip. So I will just gonna take your S-clip, C-clip, or paper clip and hook it onto those 2 bands there, which is actually basically. We're just gonna start removing it from the clip. But anyway, just keep doing that. But hold this band down here. Because if that slips off, then we'll have to put it back together. So just make sure that it doesn't slip off. Okay. Now, if you were doing the steps right, you should look like this. And you have this last one, so you're going to take the other end of your S-clip. We'll just use the same side because the C-clip only has 1 ring thing. Anyway, just take the other side, poke it through. Same with the paper clip. Oh my gosh, my band. Hold on. If you want, you can take it off on both your fingers and do it that way because it just helps. Anyway, that is the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial how to make a simple chain bracelet on your loom, not Ragoni, but on your loom. And hope you subscribe to my channel. Please give my channel a thumbs up if you haven't already. Bye!